Hi, welcome back to my channel. So, you've probably heard people say you can make money with ChatGPT, but nobody tells you how, or they make it sound like magic. But today, I'm going to show you 7 realistic ways you can actually earn with ChatGPT. Even if you're a beginner, a student, or just trying to escape your 9 to 5 job, well, grab a pen because this is going to be interesting. So the first on my list is sell prompts. Sell prompts. What are prompts? Prompts are those things that the first thing that you tell ChatGPT to do. The instructions you give ChatGPT based on what you want. These are prompts. So there are people who are looking for the right prompts to get the right answers to what they are looking for, their research or whatever. So, people say it takes a smart person to use AI, to use ChatGPT. It takes a smart person because if you don't ask the right question the right way, you will not get the answers you want. Because ChatGPT will just answer you based on whatever you give. So there are some people who sell prompts. They sell these prompts, they package it and then sell it. So the next one on my list is start a storytelling YouTube channel or TikTok or even Facebook with AI. So there are a lot of online folktale stories or even action real life stories on YouTube that is designed and created using ChatGPT and other AI tools. So if you don't want to do just stories alone, you can do other things using ChatGPT with the help of ChatGPT. So the next on my list is resume and CV writing or optimization. So you gather people who are trying to they don't have the time to write their CV, or they don't know how to write their CV, or they already have one that they feel is not working and they need someone that is a professional to optimize it for them. Now that's where you come in using ChatGPT. So what do you simply do? You take this their already existing CVs that they've been using, then show it to ChatGPT. What is wrong with this CV? What can be changed? What corrections can be done on this CV or on this resume or create this resume? So you as a human being, you will go through it and look at it, compare it with the old one and see if truly this one is better, and then maybe add a little of human touch to it because you will not just copy and paste. You have to do some editings and the rest. So the fourth on my list is social media management. Social media management. So there are a lot of people looking for people that will just post content for them, post maybe contents like write-ups, blog, you know, posts, maybe not necessarily video, it can just be write-ups, daily write-ups, or with pictures though. So now where does ChatGPT come in this? This is ChatGPT comes in by now you can tell ChatGPT, I need 30 content ideas for so page. This is what the page is about. This is what the page is about. So you don't even need to start stretching your brain on what will I post today? Oh, this is what social media management. This, and also you can watch a lot of YouTube videos concerning social media management and how to look professional even without being professional. So the fifth on my list is academic and research help. There are a lot of people who find academic work very stressful, but if you're the kind that loves research, you love to write, you love to read, and at the same time, ChatGPT will also reduce the work for you. So if you're open to reading and proofreading, that's because you cannot just copy and paste what ChatGPT gives you. You have to go through it to see if it's what you want or what the client is actually asking for. So there are a lot of people out there looking for people to write their research projects for them, to looking for people to write their research work for them. So that is where you come in, and with the help of ChatGPT, you'll be able to achieve these things. So it's not difficult. Just like in school now, most students use ChatGPT and other AI tools to do their research work. But there are some people that are also lazy. They rather pay people to to do it for them. So they just want to, they don't like that stress for themselves. So they rather pay for the work. So that's where you come in now. And the next on my list is motivational and Bible quote page. This is similar to that of storytelling with AI and all of that. So the motivational one now, you use ChatGPT to get your content ideas relating to motivation. You don't have to start cracking your head out. Oh, will I motivate these people today? Me myself, I need motivation. But then, then Bible quotes, when the Bible is already there, so a lot of contents are there already. So what you just use ChatGPT, give me so things in the Bible. It's about wisdom. Let's say you can just say, I need 10 ideas or quotes in the Bible that talks about wisdom, that talks about finance. So you can do motivational quotes relating to this. Or better still, there are some people who really want to read or know the Bible for a year. You can make it easier for them by making it a video, because most people tend to comprehend more with video. With video. So if it's in a video format, and let's say every day you're doing chapter one or every verse of the Bible, something like that. Just those are contents. You TikTok, UK TikTok account. If you're a Nigerian, use the UK TikTok account because you're going to earn more from it. And for the motivation also, if you want to use if you want to post on TikTok, use a UK TikTok account. And if you want to post on YouTube, there are other people doing the same thing. So just look at them and then see what they are doing. Try to follow suit. So the seventh one on my list is become a ChatGPT powered assistant. Now, virtual assistants are in demand, and ChatGPT can help you manage all of your taxes. It can help you because me personally, ChatGPT is my own personal assistant. That's my go-to assistant body. So VAs are in demand right now. So ChatGPT can help you manage emails, replies, schedule appointments, do light research, or write a blog post. You just have to focus on the human part. ChatGPT handles the boring part, which is compiling everything. So you as a human being, you have to just review what ChatGPT gives you and then change some things that you don't want. Tell ChatGPT what you want. This is what I want. So the human part, you talk to your client by yourself, get what the client wants, do your corrections, and still if you want ChatGPT to do correct them for you, you tell them this is what I want, this is what I want. So ChatGPT as your personal assistant, even though you are someone else's assistant, so it can help you, get all of these taxes done. Now, you don't need to just watch others make money with AI. These are real doable and scalable things that you can do. Honestly, these are things that you can do and they are very, very feasible. So pick one, start small, let ChatGPT be your co-pilot. If you want me to drop a full tutorial on any of these ideas, comment the number below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your hustle buddy. Thank you for staying to the end. I love you guys. Bye.